Hello students. Today our lecture will be on Agro ecosystem part 2. So this is the second part of my lecture. I am Dr. PREETI MATHUR, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC, Government College Ajmer. In the last lecture of mine, I told you about the health of different animals, plants, and living beings which depend upon the soil health. But in this lecture, we will also see that the soil is totally critical. And there are some more things to learn about the soil. Sometimes the soil is not so linear, and sometimes it does not sustain plant and animal, and this sustainability of plant and animal is not just dependent upon the soil. Now, the mimicking of the natural system. In this, the agro ecosystem mimic the native ecosystems. Only ecosystems that are present that maintain or build their ecological capital, fix and hold their nutrients, are adapted to periodic stress such as drought and fire, and manage their weed, pest, and pathogen populations. Now, in the tropical ecosystem mimic, there's traditional mulched system, which is pre-Hispanic Sweden, that is migratory. Then the bean, corn, root crops, also sorghum and rice. Key characteristic is mulch of secondary vegetation, not primary, that is not burned. So, fallow part of system, then system produces 30 to 40% of Costa Rica's beans, especially in 1994. And Costa Rica beans household use is 40%, commercial use is of 60% of production in 1994. So now in this slide you can see two pictures. One is located downwards and another is longitudinally present, and this mulch mimic of rainforest root litter mat is here. Now this slide is of appropriate second growth vegetation for mulch system. You can see the picture clearly shown over here. Now you can see over here two pictures are shown. One is of unmulched and another is of mulch. Here it is volcanic ash soil is there, which is also known as andisol, with high capacity for phosphate fixation. So in this slide you can see the root systems which are shown clearly. Now first mulch root system, in this the root system, it is of different type. You can see clearly in the picture the roots are not very deep. They are not going deep into the earth. They are present in the topmost layer of the soil. And in the second unmulched, here the taproot, it goes to the deeper side in the earth. So you can see and differentiate about the pictures of these two plants, that is mulch and unmulched root systems. In this slide, you can see different types of bean diseases and the effects of the mulched and unmulched systems. The first one is anthracnose. Here you can see the roots which are diseased. Then second one is fusarium type root growth. Significantly it is less. Then root knot nematode. Yeah, third disease is of root knot nematode, Melodogene species. And here it is significantly less knots are there. And Rhizoctonia, this type of root rot is significantly more. Now in this slide you can see the biological impact summary. Less foliage and root disease with exception Rhizoctonia root rot in mulched system. Secondly, different nematode communities in mulched and unmulched systems, less morphospecies diversity in soil of mulched, and then the greater arthropod diversity in soil of mulched system. So students, आज अपन ने डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रूट्स एंड देयर डिजीज़ेस इनके बारे में पढ़ा. दो तरह की मैंने आपको रूट सिस्टम के बारे में बताया, टैप रूट सिस्टम, फाइब्रस रूट सिस्टम. टैप रूट सिस्टम जो सॉइल के अंदर डीप तक जाती है, जिसमें मेन रूट होती है, बाकी ब्रांचेस होती हैं. और फाइब्रस रूट में एक ही पॉइंट से बहुत सारी रूट्स निकलती हैं और वो बहुत ज़्यादा डीप सॉइल के अंदर नहीं जाती हैं. इन रूट्स के अंदर डिफरेंट टाइप्स की डिजीज़ेस के बारे में पढ़ा अपन ने और देखा कि कौन कौन सी डिजीज़ होती हैं और वो कितना हार्म पहुंचाती हैं प्लांट्स को. राइजोबियन वाली डिजीज़ भी देखी हमने. सो I end my lecture today over here only. This was the second part of the lecture. And I again thank you all for patiently hearing me. We'll again start with the third part in my next lecture. I repeat my name. I'm Dr. PREETI MATHUR, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC, Government College, Ajmer. Thank you.